Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I have good news for Windows 11 users. Soon Windows 11 users will be able to open File Explorer in tabs. Like a new feature will be rolled out soon for Windows 11 users. So basically in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable the tabs on your Windows 11 or 10 or even 7 computer. So for this I'll be showing you two methods which you can achieve this. The first method being using a tool called QT Tab. I'll be dropping the links to every resource I used in this video in the video description below. Here the first method will be making use of the QT TabBar. The QT TabBar is like a small tool that allows you to use multiple tabs function in your Windows Explorer. So when you open this link, you move down and click on this releases. Click on releases. When you must have done that, you scroll down to where you see assets. Now here is the version for the Chinese, Germans, Brazilians, and this is the English version. So for this tutorial I'll be downloading the English version. So you click on it, click on start download, then you can go ahead and open the folder where you downloaded the software and extract it. So after extracting the QT tab, to open it up, you double click on it. Now click on next and install. I'll wait for it while it's installing. It might take 1 or 2 minutes for it to properly install. So wait a little bit for it to install. It's almost done now. As you can see, the installation is complete, so you can go ahead and click on finish. So you can go ahead and click on finish. So after clicking on finish, you can go ahead and reopen your Windows Explorer. Here you can see the feature is here already. You can open new tabs. Here you can see the new tab features. I'll go ahead and open something up. Open documents here, then hit this another tab and open it up. So as you can see, the tabs is now showing it has been added successfully. So let's go over to the second method. So for the second method, we're going to use a software called Files. The Files is a free and open source software on GitHub. So I will also drop the link in the description. So here, when you open the Files link, you can click on releases. Now click on assets, select the latest version. I click on files package, click on start download. The file is also available on the Microsoft store. So you can click on get here. I'll also drop the link to download the Files app on your PC. The Files app is a modern file explorer with many features. So after downloading the files, if you download it from GitHub, you go ahead and extract it. After extracting, open the files folder. Then here you don't click on this install, you double click on this files package. Here my cursor is. You double click on it and click on install. It won't take much time. It won't take much time, so you have to wait a little bit for it to install. So as you can see, the file is now installed. The files is now installed. You can easily see your drives here, local disk. This is to create a new tab. You can also use the shortcuts Ctrl T if you want to open a new tab. Let's just say I want to open a new folder in a new tab. You just click with your mouse scroll button, click on it, and it will open the folder or file in a new tab. Another thing is, you can go here. Here is the settings button. When you are here, you can customize how you want the files software to look like. If you want the dark mode, you can easily set it up. You can leave it at default to use your default Windows theme. So here, to set this software as your default file explorer, click on experimental. When you click on settings, click on the experimental. Then here you see set files as the default file manager. You go ahead and enable this, so this will automatically make this file software your default file manager. This tab feature will really help you if you are multitasking. Instead of opening the file explorer multiple times, you can just go ahead and open them in a new tab, and it will be easier for you to navigate through what you are doing. So that's just it, guys. Thanks for watching this video. I do hope you enjoyed it. Please give us a thumbs up, and if you have any problem or encountered any difficulty while running this, you can drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to help you fix your issue. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.